The AgraQuant Allergen Swabbing Kit is designed to collect environmental samples from surfaces and food processing machinery on which allergenic proteins may be present. The swabbing kits are validated to work with all AgraQuant allergen and gluten kits except for AgraQuant Histamine. In this video, we will cover the contents of the swabbing kit and how to use the kit. AgraQuant Allergen Swabbing Kits come complete with ready-to-use extraction buffer, graduated transport tubes, and sterile swabs. Please keep in mind that this video is not a replacement for the package insert or other important product documentation. To ensure accurate results, please follow the package insert that came with your test kit. Before we start, we also recommend that you wear protective gloves and change them before each new stage of the test. Ready? There are just a few easy steps. Calculate the number of transport tubes needed according to the number of samples and label them clearly. Fill them with 1 milliliter of swabbing solution. Define a swabbing area of 5 by 5 centimeters. Remove a sterile swab from its packaging and dip it into the transport tube in order to wet it with swabbing solution. Wipe the entire predefined swabbing area with the swab while rotating the tip. Move the swab horizontally first and then vertically within the whole swab area. Place the swab back in the tube and carefully break off the end at the pre-scored break point. Press on the tamper-proof lid to close the tube. It will click when properly closed. And mix by shaking. You can store samples in refrigeration at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for 2 weeks. You can also freeze them at -20 degrees for 2 weeks. Remove any swabbing solution residues from the tested surfaces. Samples collected with the AgraQuant Allergen Swabbing Kit can be used in AgraQuant allergen kits without any further extraction. Simply pipette the sample into the microwells of the AgraQuant Allergen Test Kit you are using. For more information about the AgraQuant Swabbing Kit or any of our diagnostic solutions, visit us at romerlabs.com.